Daddy? Here.
So you want me to hold it like that?
Like this, okay? No. This thing's gonna aggravate me in a minute. Hey, what's up, guys?
No, you're blocking it now.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's me, Sammy, and we're gonna play Nickelodeon, and we're gonna play hockey. So, I'm getting in the computer. Waiting. It's boring. I know. It's really boring. Wait a minute. I'll be right back. Dad. Okay. Stay like that, okay? Look at the camera. Okay, I'm back. My dad's holding the camera. Okay. No, I don't care. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Sorry guys, you didn't see that. I'm really sorry though. And I'm not playing. I'm really sorry. Okay. So, Daddy!
I'm seeing you now.
Stop! Sorry. It's just my dad being annoying. Okay. Now. And oh, Nick right there. I wouldn't spell Nike. Jonas. Let's try Nick Jonas. Game shows but now you guys are not gonna believe this, but I'm playing. Woo-hoo! You guys wait. It's getting ready to be there. Right now. I'm here there. So, what's this?
Saying I'm tired now.
No, but you still do it. I was just talking to my dad. Okay, so now, well, I'm just gonna play the game. And right now, you guys are happy? Thank you. Stop. Ew.
Well, I'm gonna crush you.
Okay, take it now.
No, you have to hold it.
I'm tired. It will fall down.
Okay, so now, we're getting ready to play.
That's a punishment, Sammy.
What?
Why do you need to punish me like that?
Why? Because that's a punishment for people who lose when they play basketball. But I'm already playing.
Yeah. Sammy, this thing is boring.
No, it's not. I'm trying to make a video so that people can like it.
Yeah, make it. Put it somewhere where you can.
No. So, I am winning because the guys are losing. Actually, ball. Okay. Ball's free. The ball's really free. Nobody hits me.